Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to talk about how to sign up in your Chase account from your mobile phone. So let's get started. So first and foremost, we have to go and click on the Chase banking app. You will simply have to click on the sign up option on your login interface. There you have to select your account type. I have chosen personal here. Then now you have to insert your PIN number, your card number, and simply go to the next option. Here they will ask for a social security number, and if you don't have one, then just click on I don't have option. Then it will allow you to type in your birth date. After that, you simply have to type in your username, and after doing that, you just need to press the next button. That's how you simply sign up to your Chase mobile banking app. I hope this video was helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Do give us a thumbs up and comment down below if you have any other queries. Have a nice